So many sellers are offering digital fitness planner platforms like Etsy, and people are buying them like crazy. Some even make thousands of dollars just by selling these planners online. With Canva, you can easily design your own professional looking fitness planner that you can use personally. First, let's head over to Canva and start by creating a new page. I usually choose A4 size since it's a standard and versatile format. Now, let's design the cover page. Go to the text tool and add a bold, clear title like Fitness Planner. To make the cover more engaging, you can add some graphics or clips of people walking, running, or even doing yoga. Next, let's add a background. Go to Photos tab and look for a light, minimal background. Now, let's move on to the next page and create an inspirational quotes page. Start by going to Elements and type in rounded square. Add it to your page, then adjust its size and color to match your theme. Once you're happy with the one box, simply copy and paste it to create more spaces. For an extra touch, you can also add quotation marks to highlight the quotes. This is a little detail that makes the page look more polished and professional. If you want to grab this full fitness planner that I'm creating here, I'll put the link on the description below so you can easily download it. To stay focused on fitness, you really need a goal progress tracking page. Start by going to Elements and adding a table. Adjust its size so it fits nicely on the page. Once you've got the table set, add text labels for different milestones, like 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years. Another one, let's make the page even more functional by adding a notes section. Just type the word notes at the top, then insert a rounded square from the Elements tab. Adjust its size so there's enough writing space to make it visually appealing. And another thing, let's add a weekly meal planner page. This will help keep track of healthy meals. Start by adding a table or simple lines from the Elements tab, then adjust its size. Once you're happy with the layout, it's time to add text. On the left side, type in the days of the week, Monday through Sunday. Across the top row, add meal categories like breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. You can even add a light background or subtle lines to keep it clean and visually appealing. And for the last one, let's add the meal ideas page. Starting by adding a new page, then hover to Elements and insert a simple shape. Inside that shape, add the text label for breakfast. To give space for writing, go to Lines tool and adjust the line size so it looks clean and easy to use. Simply copy the entire breakfast section and paste it down the page. So that's a wrap for today's tutorial. Don't miss out. Check out plrdoc.com today.